Hicks Coconut Mall again, I think I'm gonna disconnect. I mean, seriously guys, we've just done it twice in a row. Come on, get over it. I'll be doggone, it's gonna pick it again. Wow. Yes, I know about the shortcut. No, I don't do it. Son of a bitch. Oh, Lord have mercy. I've never seen a flattened Birdo flip like that. Ay, 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 now I'm in last place. I hate this course. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Oh, Lord have mercy. Is this going to help to catch up? No. Still in dead last. Ay, ay, ay. That must be an easy target or something. I've never seen anybody get it as much as I do like that. Holy smoke. Come on. You gotta catch up close to them before you can use it. Come on. Fine. Oh man, I wish I would have gotten her. Okay, that's alright, that's alright. Alright, okay. Stay away from her. And stay away from the bullet. Considering how much I hate that course, that's actually a good finish for me. Dennis, what is going on with you? Come on. Come on now. By the way, do you like my 3 little stars there? They look pretty, don't they?